A man is seen on Walmart cameras acting suspicious, so the loss prevention team keeps an eye on him. Before long, they notice him eyeing a flashlight and looking at the cameras. Within a few seconds, he starts to walk, and the camera zooms out when he lifts his shirt and quickly tucks it underneath. Next, he circles back around an additional time and looks at another flashlight, but decides that one is enough. Then he eventually goes and walks around a bit more and eventually waits at the customer service desk for a few minutes and makes small talk. All the while, police arrive on scene and will eventually make an arrest in an unexpected spot inside of the store.
That's his shit. He had it in front of the door, so we brought it in here to get it out of the way. He's got a $40 to $60 flashlight down in front of his pants, and he's got a big pocket knife right here.
Okay.
So we're not allowed to.
Where's he at?
He's right in
The
the
customer service desk right now.
He's gonna make his way over here soon. Once he passes you, you can just snatch him up because we can't make contact with him.
All right.
We'll step out there.
Yeah. Good morning.
What you got, brother?
So this individual right here came in the store, went to the jewelry, looked around, went to sporting goods, and grabbed the flashlight and shoved it down his pants. He should be on his way up here because that's his buggy right there. After this, he's probably walking out.
Definitely going to come out of the store, so we can just wait for him. Okay.
It was just a flashlight?
Yeah, and there he does have a large pocket knife on his left hip, so just letting you know. It's right here.
Is that right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm assuming he used it to cut the opening.
No, he shoved the whole package down his pants.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah, he just went.
Flashlight? What you got, brother?
So this individual right here came in the store.
All right, he's moving.
See where he goes. So you got money, you couldn't pay for a flashlight. You want to go grab him?
All right, come on.
He's going to the bathroom. Like my other bathroom scene.
Yeah, same one.
Officers know that the man is also in possession of a knife and plan on using the element of surprise and ultimately catching him off guard inside of the Walmart bathroom.
What's the matter?
Come on, just stop, come on.
Your hands behind your back.
Don't do anything stupid, Bubba.
What I do?
You've been detained for retail theft, okay? Yeah, for that was in your pants.
Flashlight's laying right beside you.
Just relax, man, alright? Just listen.
I'm just thinking about taking it, but
Okay.
how long am I going to jail for?
Anybody say you're going to jail, Bubba? You just be detained for now. That's all it is.
Probably bad.
Don't worry about that yet. We'll just get him up. You ain't gotta worry about double locking. He's got that knife on his side now.
I'm sorry.
Alright, you're all good, man.
We can get in the office, you can do all that.
The man will soon be questioned and reveal his reasoning behind what he was doing, and will also have various requests for the officers.
Boss man, you still got that front flashlight down in front of your pants?
That one? Or?
No, he's got it
Oh, he has
down
another
in front of his pants.
That was the one that was in his...
I've been in jail for
That's
a long
off
time. I didn't know I got more money off the scratch off, casework, but there's no excuse. Tired people taking my stuff and having it all the time. But it's not an excuse. I'm pay for it. I'll be broke, but even if I do go to jail, I do appreciate what y'all are doing. I'm not from me, but I do appreciate what y'all are doing.
That one right there? His pocket right there? Yeah.
I'll tell you a story about it. Yeah.
I would just open it just to be sure. Because even though you can't feel it, I would just open it.
You ever ran the car?
Everything you touch with those gloves are not touching that. I think we're beyond that point.
All this is personal stuff?
I'm going to reach your
Log all that for us. See, all right, log all that stuff for us.
If you say you can, it will be used. To have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. Do you understand these rights? Do you waive these rights? And are you willing to talk to me? Yes.
We all need to breathe. Go ahead, take a couple deep breaths. Come on.
So, that's what you took as the flashlight? Can you maybe let me pay for it? Is that how it works? I didn't even go out of the store.
You concealed it.
You sealed it to
put it in your pants.
If I was going to pay for it.
You put stuff in your pants when you are about to buy stuff?
So hold it in there.
And you spend a whole 5 or 10 minutes at customer service with it in your pants?
Don't wait to see if I have the money to pay for it.
Then the proper thing would do is to leave it out and go back and get it, correct? Not stick it in your pants and conceal it so nobody can see that you have it. Right?
Well, I would just take it out. We ate
Okay.
It's too late, yeah. Once you consume merchandise on your person, that's it. What was your intention to go into Walmart?
Don't forget to get information.
You said what? I can't hear you. What were your intentions of going to Walmart? Like, what'd you come to Walmart for?
See what other phone was here.
Huh?
See my other phone.
To see if your other phone was here?
You had the money to pay for it.
See what other phone was here.
Yeah, you just got that money. You got to order
To see if
special.
your other phone was here?
No, didn't even try. Didn't even try.
What's your name, sir? Stephen Michael Lowry.
That does sound familiar too.
Date of birth.
Officers run his name and get a total amount for the flashlight, which comes out to be $49.97. Also considering the man walked in with an entire basket full of personal belongings, and with him about to go to jail, they need to figure out what to do with his items.
You got somebody you can call come get this stuff?
No, nobody. Stephen, you're homeless.
Can I please pay for it?
You had that opportunity. Are you homeless?
Because I don't have to press charges.
Actually, I do, because it's over the certain dollar amount. So I'm gonna ask you a question that I ask everybody that comes in here. How many times have you done this and not gotten caught? How many is a couple? 2, 10? Come in every morning? Because that flashlight sitting right there, that Coast flashlight, you probably didn't pay for that, did you?
Yes, I did.
And then that $40 battery pack on your backpack, you probably didn't pay for that, did you?
I still haven't put mine.
Come on, man.
Are you sure about that?
I'm positive.
Let me. How many cameras do you think I have in this store?
Okay, I haven't put mine.
I have 300 cameras in here, inside and out. If you're lying to me, I'll find it and I'll put more charges on you.
I understand.
So that flashlight and that battery pack, who's that belong to?
Me.
You paid for it.
Yes.
I did not steal that.
All right. You know, I can put some information on my computer and pull up every transaction you ever made.
I understand.
All right. So if you're lying to me, I'm gonna put more charges on you.
Well, I didn't pay for those here.
Huh?
I didn't pay for those here at this store.
What?
That flashlight and battery pack.
Oh, it don't matter what store. I have access to every Walmart store everywhere.
Okay, that doesn't mean that. That doesn't mean that. Maybe that doesn't mean that That doesn't mean.
Did you run his information?
All I'm asking from you is honesty.
Did you run the dispatch?
Honesty goes a long way with
Wanted or
me.
anything?
That's the difference between
No,
more
I paid for it
charges
for
and
some
less
weed.
charges.
Okay, I paid for it for some weed. And I didn't want to say that.
See if he has an M&I or some shit.
Weed is weed, man. It ain't even.
I know, but
I mean, that ain't no big deal.
Have you ever been trespassing somewhere, man?
Never lived anywhere else.
I just got my disability back and I was able to rent the room. But I haven't been able to get the room yet because I have to be able to wait until the direct deposit comes in on the 3rd. But I got it turned back on. So now I just have to wait until the 3rd. Alright.
Steven, did you walk here or did you drive here?
No.
That's all I'm saying. I don't believe that for shit. I don't believe that for shit. You're gonna walk all with that? No. No, not even close. You're gonna walk with all that?
We didn't drive, that's for sure. Not with all that stuff.
I don't know what his plan was. How are you gonna leave with all that? You can't. Steven, what year were you born?
Huh?
82?
First time.
Until you're 88?
Yeah, because I even wrote it down.
Why'd you say 88?
He told you 88?
Yeah.
I think multiple people heard 88. You didn't mean to?
It's on body camera, buddy.
You make your
I know where I was born and I came out wrong.
So I guess he paid for all that.
That's all he did.
This is all stuff you brought in the store.
That's all he
That's
brought in the
all
store?
belongings.
So it has to be safe kept. So luckily we have CRA here.
No.
They gotta do an inventory.
With an SUV.
Oh, with an SUV, that's
It's
right.
fine. Y'all have a trunk. I hope you know that. And my SUV is full. I'm sorry.
Yeah, what?
It's a shaped ice
What?
cream.
Yeah, I have a shaved ice machine in the back of my car right now.
Wait, what was the other one? Oh, was it cotton candy juice?
Didn't I talk to you, Steven, over there by the Spin City with you and your friends? When all three of y'all have warrants out of Ohio? Fairly certain it was you.
Still see it.
Yeah.
I get an actual bag for his property. I could push it out and then you can.
You're real funny, dude. Go ahead and keep laughing.
Let's go.
Coming out.
What up, Tiger?
Y'all usually do first appearance the next morning?
Yeah. You ever been to our jail? Alright. Whatever they tell you to do, just do it. They have no problem tossing you around if you don't listen. Because Putnam is very known for that. So if they tell you to do something, just do it. It's not worth it. There's nothing else on you, right? Okay, they're gonna put you through a scanner. If it shows up anything, and I mean anything, it's a felony charge. So anything in your ass, any of that bullshit, they're gonna find it. They're gonna see it. It's a charge. How much money do you have?
51.
51. So anytime you do with money, I'm gonna count it. Always double check. Always have another officer count it.
Okay.
That way it's on body cam, and then you tell them, hey, this is what I got. That way they can't go back and say, oh, he took my money. You did it in front of him. Now he knows. And then you tell him, hey man, it's 51. We counted it. Both of us did. If any issue, look at our body cam.
There's 51 in there.
Yeah, you're good. It helps you a lot. That way they can't go back and say, "Oh, you stole my money. It's a liability." It happens all the time. So yes.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. However, in this case, 43-year-old Stephen was not, and being charged with petty theft as a result of stealing the $49.97 flashlight. The court adjudicated him guilty, and he spent the next 26 days inside county jail. Let me know your honest thoughts on this down below in the comments, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.
What's the matter?
Just stop. Come on.
Jan, behind your back.
Don't do anything stupid, Bubba.
What I do?
You're being detained for retail theft, okay? Yeah, for that was in your pants.
He's got that knife on his side now.
I'm sorry.
We can go in the office, you can do all that.